Top 5 reasons you need your dash camera professionally installed. I'm Benjamin with Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialists. If you're looking to learn more about dash cameras, please don't forget to click the links down below. Plenty of more, learn more information down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate everybody who's following us. Don't forget to leave comments down below. If you have questions, we'd be happy to answer them and help you out. So, top 5 reasons you need your dash camera professionally installed. Let's dive into this. Number 1, not enough cigarette lighter plugins in the car. You get in the vehicle, you find out the dash camera is unplugged because somebody was charging their phone last when they were in the vehicle. Completely defeats the purpose of having the dash camera installed in the vehicle. Because if someone's going to get in and plug their phone in every single time and unplug the dash camera, there's no point in having it in there. That's one of the top reasons why you should get it hardwired to free up your cigarette lighter plugins. Number 2, you can get your wiring ran professionally. You want it ran nicely. You don't want to see it. Most people don't want to see, hanging off the panels and hanging out everywhere. Get a professional. They'll actually tuck it in. They'll hide it in behind all the paneling. You won't be able to see the wiring at all. They'll take certain panels off. They'll run the wiring in behind your airbags. That way, so all these kinds of things can happen. We've seen some very interesting installations in our time, and we've cleaned up a lot as well. Number 3, parking mode. If you want the capability to record while parked, you need it hardwired so that it sees when the ignition is switched off and switches into parking mode, which will trigger stuff like time lapse, motion detection, or impact only while parked. Number 4, low battery protection. By getting it hardwired on most dash cameras, at least the ones that we offer here, will give you low battery protection, which means while in parking mode, if it drops below a certain voltage, the dash camera will shut off to protect the battery of your car. Number 5, no cigarette lighter plug-in to be seen. Some of these new vehicles, all they have is 3, 4, 5 plugins for USB, so you can charge your phone, so you can integrate your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, those kinds of things. I've seen some newer vehicles where the cigarette lighter plug-in is only in the back of the vehicle or in the trunk of the vehicle because it's thinking that you might have some sort of a portable air compressor that you can plug in to fill your tires up with air. Either way, a lot of these newer vehicles are missing some of these convenient features, which is why you may need it hardwired.